Hey everybody, Matt here with Hollywood's Garage. Got a little tip and trick for you here. When you got a steering wheel crooked, like this one is, slanted to the right a little bit, but your alignment is all good, track straight on the road, and it's just that your steering wheel's a little crooked after doing some front end work, what you're gonna do is, you're steering there, so pretty much right off of here, off of your steering box, onto your pitman arm, follow that bar across, right there. You see that connection? Loosen those two nuts, 15 mils, and then you're going to spin that whole collar either clockwise or counterclockwise, depending on which way you need to turn your steering wheel to straighten it out. Once I turn mine, I'll let you know which way I had to turn it. To turn my steering wheel that was from the right, and to take it left a little bit. Okay, there we go. I ended up turning mine downwards. The pretty much direction, would be down towards the front of the vehicle to straighten mine out. As you can tell, these aren't perfectly in the middle. There's this big gap there, and the end of this is pretty much right on this joint right about here. So really, I only got about an inch of thread there. You should have it in the middle to be safe, because you want equal threads on each side, so that way you don't put too much stress on one of these. Also, a good tip would be to spray these threads, clean them all up before you spin it. Otherwise you'll plug it up and gunk it up, and it's not easy to spin. There's a proper tool for it, but I just use big channel locks to do it. I got about 2.5 turns out of it, and it's getting pretty stiff now. So, but yeah, I'll go show you the steering wheel. So here you can see it's a lot better now. It's not perfectly straight, but honestly, the best thing for you to do is a couple turns, tighten everything back up underneath, super tight, and then take it for a drive. See where that steering wheel puts you. See if your alignment is still good. It should be. You're not messing with the alignment. You're messing with the steering arm itself. So, hope this helps.